Commutativity of division of rational numbers. In our earlier videos, we have discussed that addition of rational numbers is commutative, subtraction of rational numbers is not commutative, and division of rational numbers is commutative. The video links for those video lectures you'll find in the description box below. Please watch them. In this video lecture, we discuss whether division of rational numbers is commutative or not. That means if we take two rational numbers a and b, then the division of rational numbers to be commutative means that a divided by b should be equal to b divided by a. If this condition gets satisfied in each and every division, then we say that yes, the division of rational numbers is commutative. And to understand this, we have taken two rational numbers here, minus 5 over 3 and minus 8 over 7. First, let's divide minus 5 over 3 divided by minus 8 over 7, right? So what we do? We invert and multiply. So minus 5 over 3 times, this becomes 7 over minus 8. Now we know that if the minus sign is in the denominator, we have learned all these things. If the minus sign is in the denominator, you can simply put this minus sign in the numerator. There will be no difference in the value. Okay, so this becomes minus 5 over 3. I'm again repeating, we have discussed all those things, so I'm not going to repeat again. This becomes minus 7 over 8. Okay, now if you multiply the numerators together, you get minus 5 times minus 7. And this is 3 times 8. You get 35 because we are multiplying two negative numbers. That is why we get a positive result. This is 24. Okay, so 35 over 24 is the quotient or the result of this division. Now let's divide minus 8 over 7 divided by minus 5 over 3. Now again invert and multiply. So this is minus 8 over 7 times 3 over minus 5. Now if the negative sign is in the denominator, you can simply put this negative sign with the positive with the numerator, and there will be no difference in the value, in the original value. So this is minus 8 over 7 times minus 3 over 5. So we multiply the numerators together. This is minus 8 times minus 3, and here you get 7 times 5. So the result is minus 8 times minus 3 means that you are multiplying two negative integers, therefore the result will be positive. So simply 24 over 35. So in this case we are getting 24 over 35, and here we have got 35 over 24. Clearly these two are actually not equal. So this condition doesn't get satisfied. Let's take this example. We have 100 over 9 and 5 over 2. So first divide 100 over 9 divided by 5 over 2. So what we do, invert and multiply. So this is 100 over 9 times 2 over 5, and you get 200 over 45. Multiplication of numerators together and then multiplication of denominators together. In the second one, let's take 5 over 2 divided by 100 over 9. So this becomes 5 over 2 times 9 over 100, and this is 5 times 9 divided by 2 times 100. So you get 45 over 200. So here we have 200 over 45, and here we have 45 over 200. Clearly these two are not equal. Therefore we say that the division of rational numbers is not commutative. Addition is, multiplication is not. Sorry, subtraction is not, multiplication is, division is not.